The Singapore Strait is one of the busiest waterways in the world, with thousands of ships transiting daily. Now, imagine if this flow is disrupted. Hidden threats, such as underwater mines, would damage ships, endanger lives, and severely disrupt maritime trade and our lifelines. The RSN operates a range of mine countermeasure capabilities, including manned and unmanned systems, to detect and neutralize underwater threats. Mine clearance operations are complex and inherently dangerous. There are 4 phases to mine clearance: detection, classification, identification, and neutralization. Phase 1, detection. Detecting an underwater mine is challenging due to the vastness of the sea. In this phase, sonars are used to scan the sea for mine-like echoes. The Mine Countermeasure Vessel is built with a hull-mounted sonar to conduct detection of underwater threats. We also deploy the Comet 300, an autonomous underwater vehicle with sonar capabilities.
The Comet 300, when deployed, is able to survey the seabed for up to 10 hours, mapping a wide surface area. This AUV also provides high-resolution scan on the seabed, picking up possible mine-like contacts. With the Comet 300, the mission can be pre-programmed, and the unmanned underwater vehicle can carry out its tasks autonomously with little human input. This enhances efficiency.
After detection, we move on to phase 2, classification. A contact is classified as a mine-like contact if its size, shape, shadow, structure, and sonar returns conform to the expected threat. The MCMV sonar and Comet 300 are able to detect and classify underwater contacts, providing critical information to facilitate effective neutralization. In phase 3, identification, we'll deploy the caster, a remote-controlled vehicle from the MCMV. The caster, with an underwater camera on board, will be used to conduct a final confirmation if the contact is a mine. If the contact is identified to be a mine, we'll move on to the final phase, neutralization. The combat variant of the caster, equipped with a charge, is deployed to the target based on the tracks provided in the identification phase.
Vehicle arm, start countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And option to fire off caster seat. Fire off caster seat.
Roger, fine.
Now, imagine the future, where all of these tasks are undertaken by unmanned systems. As part of the RSN's transformation, we are developing unmanned systems to undertake MCM operations. The Mine Countermeasure unmanned surface vessels are currently being built and will eventually be deployed to conduct MCM operations, from detection to neutralization. These systems will allow us to conduct MCM operations in a more efficient manner that is also safer for our sailors, as they can control these systems from a remote location, away from the mine threat. As one of the world's busiest trade routes, the maritime security of Singapore Strait and our sea lines of communication are of utmost importance. The RSN stands ready to defend and protect Singapore's lifeline.